بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت وإنما توفون أجوركم يوم القيامة فمن زحزح عن النار وأدخل الجنة فقد فاز وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
He lurks behind me, as does fire with smoke. When told, perhaps I thought he was a joke. His footsteps so silent, like the contents of an empty bowl. He'll have privilege and honor in taking my soul. You see, I am nothing but a body with a start and an end. My life is a timeline, so I can't pretend. Like a vessel carrying urine and waste. What have I in the world? Nothing but haste. I love this world like my mother loves me, failing to think outside the box, it's about eternity. The weakness of man thinking he is his own creator. Was there not a time you were nothing? Now you're a traitor. My brothers, you and I, we are playing with fire, giving preference to our desire. Our iman, our faith, surprisingly higher. From the bottom of the Atlantic to the top of the Everest, death will visit us at a time that is set. And suddenly, my tongue is heavy, my forehead is sweaty, and the angel of death is ready. I am a man on a mission, looking for a vision, ready for ascension to face Allah's decision. It's a ticket of different deportations, but we all have the same destination. We go back to the owner of creation. We're waiting in suspension for the day of resurrection. I used to walk, talk upon the earth. I used to live, breathe. Every breath I used to whine, dine, chill and thrill. Now I'm dying, and this is for real. Oh Lord, grant me the awareness, the consciousness, and let me come to you in humbleness, for I seek nothing but your forgiveness. Such is the sickness and the weakness and my evilness, but your kindness is greater.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين